Hi friends! Today we're going to draw a unicorn. Her name is Twilight Sparkle. She is a smart purple unicorn from My Little Pony. First, we fast forward to show you how we roughly drew her. Grab your markers and paper. Let's begin.
First, let's use an S-shaped line to draw her bends. Next, we're going to outline her face. Let's draw her beautiful eyes. Have you ever seen a unicorn before?
A unicorn is a mythical creature that has been described in stories and folklore for centuries. It's typically depicted as a horse-like creature with a single spiral horn projecting from its forehead. Unicorns are often associated with purity, grace, and magic in various cultures around the world. While they are not real animals like horses or lions, they continue to capture the imagination of people of all ages.
Why some unicorns have wings?
Unicorns with wings are often called Pegasus unicorns or alicorns. They combine the traits of both unicorns and Pegasus, the mythical winged horse. This idea comes from the blending of different mythologies over time. It's like mixing two awesome creatures into one. These winged unicorns symbolize even more magic and grace, as they can fly through the skies, adding an extra element of wonder to the already enchanting unicorn myth.
Let's move on to drawing her ear.
Horses can rotate their ears 180 degrees. This superpower helps them listen for sounds in all directions like a built-in radar system. It's like having ears that can tune into any channel.
Next, let's draw the horn.
One special thing about a unicorn's horn, also known as an alicorn, is that it's believed to have magical properties. Throughout mythology and folklore, it's said to possess the ability to purify water, heal sickness, and even detect poison. It's like a magical wand that brings goodness wherever it goes.
Let's continue to draw her hair. Now we move on to her body. Feel free to pause the video if you need more time.
Pony legs are unique because they are proportionally longer in relation to their body size compared to other equines like horses. This gives them agility and grace, allowing them to navigate through rough terrain with ease. Additionally, ponies often have sturdy legs adapted for carrying heavier loads relative to their size.
Next, we're going to draw her tail. Now let's continue drawing her hair. Now we have outlined our unicorn. If you want to skip the details of her hair, you can go to 8 minutes where we start to color her in. Alright, well done! Time to color her in. We also have other videos drawing mermaid or ruby groom. Feel free to check it out. Remember to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out any new videos.
Yay! We've done drawing Twilight Sparkle. We hope you had fun drawing along with us. See you next time. Bye!